welcome back to my channel. So today on the agenda, I'm going to be trying to make a hair oil because my For You page has been telling me about, I'm forgetting what the word was. I'm pretty sure it's like an Indian hair oil, or like the ingredients are typically found in Indian or Caribbean markets. So I'm gonna go to one of the ones that are close by me and I'm gonna see if they have any of the ingredients. I know my mom in the past, she'll boil like rosemary and aloe vera and make hair oils that way. So I'm gonna try and add some of the ingredients that I've been seeing on TikTok. I know one of them is fenugreek, and also I think it's pronounced Amla, A-M-L-A. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gonna try and use some of those because right now my hair needs deliverance. Okay, it doesn't need deliverance. Like, she's not horrible, but right now it's like I see my hair growing, but the rate that it's breaking off is faster than the rate it's growing. So I'm not seeing any length retention. And I know that it's so crazy for me to be saying that with a towel on my hair right now versus like a t-shirt or something. But listen, we're not perfect all day, every day. And I don't know what it is about, like, you know, when you wash your hair and you just like do like the robe with like the towel, like it gives movie. So let me have my movie star moment. But if y'all know me, y'all know I love to change up my hair every 2 seconds, which is probably adding to the reason my hair is breaking off a little more. But I gotta live a little, you know, I don't like to be too boring. But I'm going to be doing twists with Marley hair. I'm gonna do it like a shoulder length. Also, if you want to know what I was rubbing on my face earlier, I used the Good Molecules discoloration correction serum. It's really been helping for like evening out my skin tone. And then I also have been using the L'Oreal Youth Dark Spot Corrector, and I'm pretty sure this one has niacinamides, whatever it has. I like it. It makes my face feel very smooth. And then I like to add some sunscreen. I didn't used to be like a heavy sunscreen girly just because I naturally have oily skin, so I wasn't initially a sunscreen girl, but the girlies were correct because using sunscreen has helped my dark spots not get darker faster. Anyway, yeah, let me change and then let's pop over to the store. This is the Pink Flamingo from Nectar. Comes with coconut water in it. I switch it out for red apple juice and it tastes so good. The apple juice makes it a little bit more watery, but it's so sweet and it's so good. And it's aesthetically pleasing. I'm like, Nectar, sponsor me. So I just left the market and I got most of the powders that I wanted to get. Brahmi powder. I got dry Amla, and then I got Fenugreek powder. I didn't get the seed because I figured like the powder might dissolve better. I don't know. I am now at Target. I need rosemary. I'm thinking I might throw some mint in there, up for debate, and I'm also gonna get some aloe vera. Get the rest of these ingredients and then let's go into my hair lab. I have all the ingredients that I'm using in here, and it's about a cup. And now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stir this nice little mason jar in this bowl, and I'm gonna put some hot water around it, and then I'm gonna strain it using the cheesecloth into another container so that I can then put it on my hair. We have our oil all done and ready to go, and I have decided that I'm just going to do it like a hot oil treatment on my hair just to really lock the moisture in there. I have already like washed and detangled my hair, and I have a little bit of leave-in conditioner in there, but like nothing too crazy. So I'm just going to split my hair into 6 sections, oil it thoroughly, clip it off, and then I'm going to put like a processing cap over my head and sit under a hooded dryer for a little bit, and then I will finally start my hair. Funny enough, I found another pack of Marley twist hair in my closet. It's like my closet of tricks. This is like mainly burgundy. This is a burgundy ombre situation, and then this is just a black. So I think with 3 packs of this, I can make something happen. I have a vision in my head of what I kind of want it to look like, but I haven't seen it in that color. So I'm just gonna use some inspiration and just kind of go off that. But anyway, first things first, let me do the hot oil treatment on my hair, and then I can finally start doing it because I have things to do tomorrow. So this hair needs to get done as soon as possible. I did do my hot oil treatment last night. I am now prepping the twisting hair so I can do my twist because my hair needs to get done today. Remember how I said I had plans? Those may not happen. Y'all, the hair is still going, but I had to pop in to give y'all a nice little update. Look at the color. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more of the burgundy like at the top because I want it to be a little bit more ombre-ish. The hair itself is already pretty ombre, but this is where we're at. I still have to do the entire front, and then I have like 2 sections in the back that I have to do, so it can definitely be done. If you can see my clock, it is literally 5 a.m. I want to say I'm a little bit over halfway done. Update. I'm still doing my hair, but I have cut off a lot of the fuzzy pieces at the bottom, and she's looking very much promising. Next time you see me, my hair will be done. Hair is done. Finally. Don't ask me how long it took me to do it. It's giving, isn't it? Today on the agenda, I have a lot of editing to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and thank you guys for watching me, and I will see y'all in my next one.